Sairam, warm welcome to all of you to Sri Satya Sai Lok Seva Gurukulam online classes. Let's learn English series with Mrs. Kalpana Hablekar. Okay, so thank you for visiting me again. And now we will learn today types of sentences, imperative sentences. Okay, now we have learned there are 4 types of sentences, the main 4 types of sentences. Okay, out of that we learned declarative sentences which are having 2 types, compound and compound and simple. Okay. Now we will learn the second type of sentences. Now imperative sentences. Now what is imperative sentences? Let us see. It's very easy. Let us go very slow. Okay. And we will learn it slowly, step by step. Okay. We are not in a hurry. Imperative sentences. Now what is imperative sentences? They give a command or an instruction. Okay. They give a command or an instruction. We all of us like to give command. Yes, bring me water, bring me this, bring me that, right? So, we always have command and instruction in our sentences. Mostly we like. They can range from a single verb to a longer sentence. Okay? So, it can have one verb only, single verb, or it can be a long sentence where you can, I can say silence. Yes. Okay. So, they end with a period. Now, they end with a period. I am not telling you to keep quiet always. Okay. For time being, you keep quiet. So, I am saying silence. Yes. If an order is given with a lot of feeling, yes, then imperative sentence can end with an exclamation mark. Okay, that will come to the next. But just remember this. Now what it is saying is, they give a command or an instruction. They can range from a single verb to a longer sentence. Okay, they can end with a period. And if an order is given with a lot of feeling, okay, lot of feeling, then the imperative sentence can end with an exclamation mark. That will come to the next. Okay, so just remember. Now example. What are the examples? Shut the door. It's only one verb. Shut the door. Okay. Then don't open the fridge until the jelly is set. This is told by your mother. Okay. She says, I have kept jelly. We want to eat jelly with ice cream in the night, right? For dinner. So, don't open till it is set. So, don't open the fridge till it's set. Next, pass the salad dish to your left. Okay. Now, you are sitting on the dining table and there is a salad dish which is, very big, and everyone have to share. So, your mom will say, pass the salad dish to your left. To your left, maybe your brother or your father is sitting. Okay. Don't eat the rice until it's cooked well. Yes, uncooked rice should not be eaten. Then we will get stomach upset. Okay. So, don't eat the rice until it's cooked well. So, understood? It's giving you a command. Be there sharp at 9 a.m. So, your teacher is saying, don't be late, be there sharp at 9 a.m. otherwise we'll go. We'll leave and go you for the picnic. Okay, now let us see. Now practice sentences. Turn to page 199 in your English textbook. So, English textbook is having so many, it's a thick grammar book. Okay. Your dictionary is only so thick. So, imagine the grammar book will be so thick. So, your teacher is telling, turn to page 199 in your English textbook. And so, he is going and turning the pages. Okay. Yes. Wait for me. See, this boy is telling, don't go away. Wait for me. So, he is telling his friends, So, he is commanding his friends, wait for me. So, give me the smallest scarf. You go to a shop and you tell him, Give me the smallest scarf. I don't want big scarves. Okay, you know, this is scarf which you tie around your neck in winter season. Yes. Then don't turn to your left or right, keep going straight. This sentence we did yesterday, right? When we were doing goal setting, I told you, you have to have one focus on your goal. You don't have to turn here, you don't have to turn to your right. So this is the sentence. Don't turn to your left or to your right, keep going straight. Okay? Walk, 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 or stop, 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 stop till your goal reaches. Okay. Then here is an announcement. Listen to me carefully. Your teacher is telling. Here is an announcement. The principal has given her something to tell, you know, and she is telling, here is an announcement. Listen to me carefully. So she is telling you, don't talk. Unnecessary, keep on talking, you know, blah, 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 blah. Okay. Nobody should speak while eating food. Yes, that is a rule. Nobody should speak while eating food. Okay. Clean up your room. See, this boy is cleaning. So this is a command from your, if you are in a hostel, your hostel warden will say. If you are at home, your mother or your father will say. Or your teacher also can say that, you know, clean up your room before going, the classroom, she means. Switch off your mobiles. So now everyone is sitting for a meeting, okay? And instructions are given that switch off your mobiles. Don't keep it on, it is disturbing. So switch off your mobiles. Then make sure you pack your warm clothes. You're going to a cold country, okay? And during winter season, it's very cold and it's unbearable. So they say, the travel people, you know, they keep a warning ahead. Make sure you pack your warm clothes, okay? Reading vocabulary improves your reading, writing and speaking skills, okay? So here is our favorite sentence. See, reading vocabulary improves your reading, writing and speaking skills. So, thank you for watching Sri Satya Sai Lok Seva Gurukulam online classes. We just learned what are the sentences and the type of sentences. So, for coming in the next classes, we will do the different other two types of sentences. So, please be with me and learn English as early as possible. Our goal is within 1 year, okay? Let's meet the challenge. Thank you very much. Sai Ram.